So, okay, good morning. Yeah, my name is Alessandro Vila. I'm the co-founder of Plant Company based in Italy. I will present to you today the mangrove technology platform we developed to broaden soil and water availability to plant trees at the needed scale to achieve carbon neutrality. We have been inspired by the mangrove trees, by the mangrove ecosystem, because mangrove absorb a huge quantity of CO2. Mangrove trees desalinate water, and from a biological perspective, they are pioneer species, allowing other species to colonize arid and saline soil. But large-scale reforestation require an amount of fertile soil and fresh water we don't have available. There is a lot of literature presented already this morning confirming that we don't have fresh water and fertile soil to really scale up the reforestation at the scale needed to have an impact we wish. And this is exactly the purpose behind the mangrove technology platform, to enable large-scale dryland reforestation without competing for fertile soil and fresh water. So the mangrove technology platform integrates three core technologies: desalination units, planting, water-saving planting technology, and IoT devices to control the process of water production and planting activities. The mangrove technology is cost-effective, is multi-purpose, increasing biodiversity, is resource-efficient because it allows to not compete for fertile soil and fresh water, is modular, and is profitable because it enables a diversified revenue streams. The mangrove technology may be perceived as a competitor within the broad landscape of trees planting provider. Honestly, we understand ourselves as a partner and not as a competitor, as soon specific reforestation products need to rely on salt water and arid soil. We invested so far about 0.8 million euro, essentially for the technology maturation of the MTP, and we are going to invest additional €500,000 next year to reach what we call the technology readiness level 9. So we built last summer, 2020, after 2 pilot facilities in Italy and Cyprus. We built last year on Tinos Island in Greece, the first real-scale facility allowing to plant up to 20,000 trees per year based on salt water. Yeah, we identified 3 main revenue streams for our business model. The willingness to pay for trees adoption at the average price of 20-24 euro per tree, a blockchain-based revenue scheme or payment scheme to reward the biodiversity we plant with the mangrove technology, and the possibility to license, to define licensing agreement for the technology worldwide. We are negotiating with Oman, with Dubai entities so far. Yes, go-to-market strategy. As I said before, we are going to build the first commercial facility again in Greece, not on Tinos Island where we are, but on Mykonos Island, which is well recognized for tourism purposes, thanks to a public funding from Italy, €500,000. And we are now negotiating a first seed round of 1.8 million with 2 family offices, one based in Italy and one based in London. Yes, here we are, and what we are looking for, partnership to scale up together the mangrove technology. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
So
Alessandro.
we don't plant mangrove, but we have been inspired by the mangrove trees in a reverse engineering process to extract how the mangrove trees are able to desalinate water. And we incorporate this principle in our desalination technology.
Thanks for that clarification. I think that's very good. Thank you very much, Alessandro. We will now listen to Gabrielle Roselius from Macun. I think she's joining us online. Oh, you're here. Perfect. Wonderful. That's wonderful.
Thank you. No, I made it.